Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this tasty ragu. I actually just cleaned out my refrigerator, so this is about to get interesting. Stay tuned. I have some celery here, as well as some broccoli. I have some spinach, leftover tomato, some mushrooms that are getting kind of clammy, some baby carrots. I also have some Napa cabbage, some Brussels sprouts. I have a couple of peppers that have been half used. I have onion here. This is very interesting. I found a green carrot in an Asian market. So I was able to go ahead and just chop those all up, wash them off really good, and get them going into my ragu. So I added a little bit of oil to a pot, one of my favorite pots. All the best ones are kind of used and abused. I just really used the rest of the vegetable stock that I had left. It was only about a cup, and 3 cups of water. I went ahead and poured that in. Vegetable stock tends to make your vegetables really tasty if you tend to boil them instead of just using water. But this was unsalted vegetable stock, so of course I added a beef cube for a little more seasoning. Goes in. Green carrots came first because they're a little more coarse. I went and dumped in the bok choy or Napa cabbage, the Brussels sprouts, the peppers, and of course I added the carrots. Oop, got one I didn't cut up there. Celery, the onions, and broccoli, along with snow peas. Once you get a good boil going, you can go ahead and add mushrooms, tomatoes, and spinach. So I'm gonna add a half cup of pini, TVP, a half tablespoon of garlic, steak seasoning, about a 1/4 cup, and of course I add turmeric to everything. Go ahead and stir that on up really good and let that boil until the vegetables are tender. This took me about 35 minutes to make. I really let the vegetables cook because I added the pasta really late. Go ahead and transfer it over to a bowl, and there you have yourself a delicious ragu. I cleaned my refrigerator out and came up with something so yummy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great weekend. Bye.